arbitrationagreements.org. Today we dive deep into the mysterious world of arbitration letters. If you've ever received one and wondered, how on earth do I respond? You're in the right place. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Now let's bust some myths right off the bat. Did you know that a whopping 60% of people feel intimidated by legal documents? Yes, that's right, but don't fret. By the end of this video, you'll be part of the cool 40% who feel confident and in control. Step 1. Breathe. I know it sounds basic, but taking a moment to calm down will ensure you're in the right frame of mind to tackle this head-on. Step 2. Read the entire letter, not just the scary bits. Understand what's being asked of you. A fun fact to lighten the mood. On average, people only comprehend about half of what they read in a legal document on the first go, so give it another read, or even a third. Step 3. Consult. Did you know that over 80% of arbitration cases that seek professional advice have a higher satisfaction rate with the outcome? Don't hesitate to reach out to our association for guidance. Step 4. Draft your response. Address each point raised in the letter. Be concise, clear, and courteous. And remember, there's no harm in seeking help from our team when drafting. 2 heads are often better than 1. Step 5. Review. This is your chance to ensure that everything you want to say is in that response. Ensure it's free from errors, and again, if you're unsure about anything, seek advice. Step 6. Send your response. Whether it's via snail mail, email, or another method, make sure you keep a copy of what you sent. Around 70% of respondents say they felt a weight lifted after sending off their response. So once it's done, reward yourself. Maybe with a fun dance or your favorite treat. Now the waiting game begins. But remember, you've done your part. You've taken control of the situation, and no matter the outcome, you should be proud of that. Do you need more information about how to respond to an arbitration letter? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Do they seem simple or complicated? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.